Here over the past week, at least throughout the state, it looks and feels like we're in a flood zone. Of course, as we've been having this monsoon moisture producing these thunderstorms throughout the afternoon, heavy rains, as even here through the past couple of hours towards southern Utah, areas such as Zion National Park. We did have a flash flood warning in effect, which has expired. Now, as we look across the Wasatch Front, a view from our Oker Mountain camera looking across the Salt Lake Valley, a few high clouds around. Of course, in the early morning hours, we had those rain showers, even some thunderstorms. Really, throughout the daytime hours, it hasn't been much of a factor. With these clouds in place, though, it's been nice to get a break from the heat. Once again, we're finding temperatures today below normal, low to mid to upper 80s as you go from Provo through Salt Lake City. And there are parts of the Wasatch Front beginning to get a little bit in the action here with those afternoon thunderstorms. Moving ahead, though, as we're holding on to this flow of that moisture coming in under this monsoon situation here, we can see for tomorrow, once again, eye to the sky, areas prone to flash flooding. We're in that orange category. Probable situation here as we look at the possibility of flash flooding in effect there for tomorrow and pushing through Sunday as well. Specifically, we are looking at a flash flood watch in effect across southwestern Utah, where again we've been seeing some heavy rain showers earlier on moving through Zion National Park. Still holding on to that possibility just east of Cedar City, traveling along there, Highway 14, going east as you make your way towards Highway 89. Potential areas such as Panguitch over towards Bryan Head. Bryan Head's always a concern here. I shouldn't say always, but especially here over the past couple of years where we, of course, had the fires near Bryan Head, Burn Scar area. Definitely, if we see heavy rain, we can see a lot of flow of mudslides there. Now turning towards central Utah, a few isolated thunderstorms along I-70 there. We've been focusing in on some thunderheads developing over areas such as Spanish Fort Canyon down through Schofield. Now we're seeing kind of a push there, just the south end of Utah Lake. Moving through Santa Quin, moving northward, could impact areas such as Saratoga Springs, Eagle Mountain, then track towards the Salt Lake Valley. Doesn't look too impressive, but it could produce some brief showers, isolated thunderstorm moving ahead. All in all, as we're seeing that moisture in place here throughout the weekend, it will remain in effect. Then we're going to get a push of some drier air from the west as we go Monday into Tuesday. But the chances of rain, therefore, both Saturday and Sunday. And really, as we push into Sunday, we'll see increased threat, though, of some scattered thunderstorms that could produce some heavy rain in effect again as we go into Sunday, Monday as well. Then we'll welcome in that drier air. Until then, tonight, we're looking at some isolated thunderstorms. Tomorrow, a repeat across the south through the Wasatch Front. Better chance, though, as we move Saturday into Sunday, seeing those thunderstorms having an impact more across northern Utah. As we do have the clouds and an isolated thunderstorm, temperatures remain below 100. Then we push away the clouds, we welcome in the sun, and then we crank up the heat. 105 expected high by the middle of the week. Northern Utah, it's low 90s, scattered thunderstorms mainly throughout the afternoon as we go from Sunday into Monday. Then we'll start seeing that drier air. Temperatures do climb. We'll get above normal by the middle of the week, but hopefully we get some more rain here moving through the weekend.